Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Mother's Day cupcake bouquet, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 335 degrees. To make the vanilla cake batter, in a bowl of a stand mixer, add the flour, sugar, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together to combine them. Then place the bowl onto the stand mixer. Then add in the softened butter and the oil, and mix it on low speed until fine crumbs form. Separate the eggs. Set aside the egg whites, we'll use them later in the recipe. And then to the egg yolks, add in the buttermilk and the vanilla extract, and beat them together with a fork until they're combined. Then add it to the rest of the mixture and mix it on low speeds just until it's combined. Whip the egg whites to soft peaks, and then gently fold half of them into the rest of the batter. Then add the rest and again gently fold them in until they're just combined. Scoop the batter into just one muffin pan lined with paper liners. Then pour the rest of the batter into a hemisphere pan that has been well greased. A metal bowl would work too if you don't have a hemisphere pan. Then place the cupcakes and the hemisphere cake into the oven and bake them until they're done. The cupcakes will take about 15 minutes and the hemisphere cake will take about 40. To make the frosting, you can do this either while the cakes are baking or cooling. Add the softened butter to the bowl of a stand mixer and whip it on high speed for 5 minutes until it becomes really light in color. Then sift in the powdered sugar and very gently mix it in. Then add the milk 1 tablespoon at a time until it becomes a frosting-like consistency, but a bit thicker. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Add some of the frosting to 3 separate bowls and color them however you like. I'm making 1 teal, another pink, and 1 I'm just leaving white. And the frosting that's left in the bowl, I'll color it green. Once the cupcakes are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. You can leave them in the pan to cool completely. Once the hemisphere cake is done, remove it from the oven. Let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan. If it still feels hot after that time, mine was, you may need to let it cool longer, but it's too long and the cake will stick to the pan even if you greased it. Remove it from the pan and transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. Place some of the green frosting into a piping bag fitted with a leaf tip. Once the hemisphere cake is cooled completely, trim off the bottom part and place the rest of the cake onto a plate and cover the cake in the green frosting, smoothing it out as best as you can. It's okay if it's not perfect. Use a toothpick to poke a hole in the bottom of the cupcakes. Insert a cake pop stick into the bottom and place the other end of the cake pop stick into the hemisphere cake wherever you like. And keep going for the rest of the cupcakes. place the other colored frosting into a piping bag fitted with a star piping tip, and pipe it onto any 4 of the cupcakes. Then repeat it with the other color. And again with the last color. Use the green frosting that we fitted with the leaf tip earlier and pipe on the stems and leaves wherever you like. That's how to make a Mother's Day cupcake bouquet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.